So right now we're heading to a shrine. At this shrine you can find the famous Torii gates. Probably take some cool pictures there. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So guys, today we're out here at the Golden Temple Pavilion. It's like this cool little park that has a golden temple in the middle. It's pretty beautiful out here, but there's a lot of people, so maybe if y'all decide to come like early, or yeah, just early, skip all the lines and all the crowds and stuff. But yeah, let me just show y'all around. So right now we're at the Bamboo Grove. This is like a very iconic place to come to here, which is pretty much like a trail of bamboo next to you. People come here all the time to take pictures. There's this park right here too. There's a bunch of stuff to do here. Kyoto's like a pretty cool place to take some nice pictures. Women always come here dressed in kimonos. So yeah, let me just show y'all around.